Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a custom Minecraft title screen. First, you'll need to create a new folder to house your resource pack files. Inside this folder, you'll place two essential files, pack, MechMeta and pack, PNG. The pack, MechMeta file contains important information about your pack, like its description and format number. The pack, PNG is a small, square image that serves as your pack's icon within the game's resource pack menu. These two files form the foundation of your custom title screen. Next, let's customize the background. You have two main options, a dynamic panorama or a single static image. For a panorama, you'll replace 6 distinct image files, typically square, that seamlessly wrap around the title screen. These are named Panorama 0, PNG through Panorama 5, PNG. If you prefer a static background, you can use one image, often a 16:9 ratio named Panorama Overlay, PNG. Both options reside in the Assets/Minecraft/textures/GUI/title/background folder within your resource pack. Now let's personalize the text and logo. The yellow splash text that appears on the title screen can be customized by editing the splashes. TXT file. You can add your own unique messages, one per line, to appear randomly. Additionally, you can replace the main Minecraft logo itself. This logo is usually a transparent PNG image, allowing you to design a completely new title graphic. This image is found in the Assets/Minecraft/textures/GUI/title folder, offering a significant visual change. To finalize your custom title screen, ensure all your modified files are correctly placed within the Assets folder structure inside your main resource pack folder. Once organized, compress this entire folder into a single ZIP archive. Do not zip the parent folder, only the contents. Then, move this new ZIP file into your Minecraft installation's resource packs folder. Finally, launch your game, navigate to the Options menu, select Resource Packs, and activate your custom pack to enjoy your personalized title screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.